There is a genius new AI tool that I've been using that anybody can use called Atoms AI that allows you to turn a single idea into a product that sells. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Atoms AI to very quickly create and monetize an AI-powered custom travel planner, let's say for Japan, where you can literally click onto where it says start planning and answer a few simple questions about your upcoming trip. To generate a fully customized travel itinerary or planner, if I click onto any one of these itinerary items, such as this one over here on day 2 of 8 in the afternoon, it'll then take me directly to the Get Your Guide travel activity booking website, where I can then book any one of those travel activities, and we, as the creator of that online platform, will earn a commission anytime anybody does make that booking. With Get Your Guide specifically, we'll be earning with their affiliate program, where we'll get paid a minimum of 8% of that purchase price. And those affiliate commissions are in addition to any monthly subscription revenue that we can also generate. There has been a recent surge in Google searches for the keyword phrase custom travel planner starting around 11 or 12 months ago in July 2025, which has now reached an all-time high. So before I go back over to Atoms AI and show you exactly how to set that up to start cashing in on this trend, I first want to show you how people are already doing that with some proof as to how much they're actually earning, and I'm then going to show you how we can leverage Atoms AI to get ahead of that competition by far to cash in on that trend even further. So here is an example of a custom travel planner or itinerary template being sold on Etsy. It was listed only 11 months ago, which coincides perfectly with exactly when this search term, custom travel planner, started surging in demand. As we can see, despite only being listed for around 11 months, if I click onto these stats, they're already making over $1,200 in monthly revenue. Here's another example right here, another customizable travel itinerary template. They're making 95 monthly sales despite only being listed for around 8 months. But here's the problem. The customer who purchases these templates still needs to input exactly what they're going to be doing on their trip. That means a lot of research, going over to Google, reading blog posts just like this for what to do in Tokyo, for example, for 7 days. And when they start reading these articles as to what to do on each of those 7 days, they'll discover mismatches. For example, on day 7, it might say to visit Tokyo's theme parks, and to somebody who may be terrified of heights and absolutely hates roller coasters, that is a complete mismatch. And comparing that against what I'm just about to show you, what we can create with Atoms AI, we're able to save them not only a ton of time due to the fact that they can simply answer a few simple questions with regards to their travel preferences to generate a truly custom, fully tailored, done for you, personalized travel planner, which they don't need to spend a single cent on. And I'm now going to show you how we can monetize this in 2 different ways. So what I'm now going to do is head back over to Atoms AI, which I'll leave a link to in the video description. And I'll start off by typing in a prompt to, in this first example, create a travel itinerary generation app for Japan, which we can monetize in 2 different ways. First of all, we can monetize that app with Get Your Guide's affiliate program, meaning every time they click onto any one of those travel activities on our itinerary and books any one of those travel activities via our link, we can earn an affiliate marketing commission at a minimum of 8% of that booking price. So because of that, in this prompt, again guys, link in the video description, I've asked it to include Get Your Guide affiliate links in that travel itinerary. I'll simply hit enter, and before Atoms AI goes ahead and creates that app, it's asked us for some more details about our Get Your Guide affiliate links. This is important, guys. This will ensure that we actually get paid those affiliate commissions of a minimum of 8% every single time somebody clicks onto and purchases any one of those itinerary items, such as this one over here. Now, to very easily give Atoms AI the information that it is requesting, what you want to do is to first get signed up to the Get Your Guide affiliate program over at partner.getyourguide.com. I'll also leave a link in the video description. Simply click onto where it says sign up. Anybody can do this. There is no approval process, answering a few simple questions. And once you're logged in, if you click onto where it says tools on the top here, and then go over to where it says links, and then go back over to the Get Your Guide website and type in Tokyo at the top, and if you click onto any travel activity. Doesn't matter which one. Let's say this one over here, for example. Select and copy the URL for that activity. Go back over to the Get Your Guide affiliate dashboard where it says create link and simply paste that link in right here, click onto that travel activity. You'll then see a generated affiliate link at the bottom here. Now, what you'll see at the end of that link is something called your partner ID. When this partner ID is attached to your link, that tells Get Your Guide that somebody clicked onto your affiliate link, ensuring that you get paid those affiliate commissions every time somebody clicks onto that travel activity on our itinerary. So what I'm going to do is to simply copy over this entire link, go back over to Atoms, and it's asked us for both an affiliate link format and a partner or affiliate ID. So what I'll first do is say this is the format example, and I'll paste in that affiliate link that we just copied over, and I'll also copy the partner ID, which is this part over here, and I'll say partner ID. And I'll then click onto where it says submit. We'll then be asked some final qualifying questions. For example, do you want the user to be able to register and log in so they can save their itineraries? Absolutely, I'll keep that ticked. Another one, for example, talks about the type of questions that you want them to answer before we generate that itinerary for them around length of stay, their travel style, and so on. And you can very easily edit any one of these items, and once you've reviewed all of them and you are happy, I'll simply click onto where it says approve, and the app has now been created for us. Let's take a look. As we can see, Discover Japan Your Way. If I click onto where it says start planning, I should get access to that AI-powered personalized travel itinerary, and based on a few questions that I answer, it tells you exactly how it works, guys. Tell us your preferences, and our AI creates a custom itinerary tailored just for you, allowing you to also save and access those itineraries as well. I'm guessing if I click onto where it says my itineraries at the top here, that's where you can access those saved itineraries. If I scroll down even further, guys, it tells you this suits every type of travel style, cultural, adventure, food and drink, and then ready to plan your trip. Again, another strong call to action, allowing you to click onto where it says create my itinerary. Now, if I click onto where it says publish, I'm going to click onto where it says open in browser to test out the live URL to see if our affiliate links are working, so we can start earning those affiliate commissions whenever anybody books any one of those travel activities via our itinerary. Now, what I'm going to do before I click onto where it says start planning or create my itinerary is first of all sign in or register to ensure that I can save those travel itineraries. I'll click onto register, sign in right here. Click onto where it says allow to authorize application, and let's test out the first monetization method and the user interface. If I first of all click onto where it says either start planning or create my itinerary, I'm going to first specify how many days I will be visiting. Now let's say that I'm visiting for 9 days, which isn't here. I'll be able to enter 9 into this custom text box, which is great. I'll then click onto where it says next, who's traveling? Just me, solo traveler. My travel style is, let's say, a bit of everything. Budget level, let's say I'm going luxury. I don't mind spending over $300 a day. My travel pace is packed. I want to do absolutely everything with the limited time that I have. And my travel interests are these ones right here. I won't read them all out. I'll then click onto where it says next. And the regions I'm going to visit in this instance will be, let's say, Tokyo, Osaka, and Hokkaido. I'll then click onto where it says generate itinerary to get my personalized 9-day mixed Japan trip itinerary for Tokyo, Osaka, and Hokkaido, which I can regenerate to get another version of this itinerary, or I can save it to add to my itineraries, which I'll do right now. That has been saved. Now, what I can also do, crucially, to make sure that we can actually make money with this app, if I scroll down and take a look at this itinerary and click onto any one of these travel activities. Look, let's say for day 3, which is for our Tokyo day trip between Mount Fuji and Hakone, what I can do is click onto this first item over here, for example, to book this activity. They'll be taken directly over to Get Your Guide, where they can browse several versions of that activity. Now, to ensure that we actually get paid, that 8% every single time they click onto any one of those travel activities via our itinerary, we need to make sure that Atoms AI has in fact added our partner ID, again guys, which is this part of our affiliate link at the end of that link. So let's take a look at the end of the link. I'm looking for partner ID. There it is right there. Now, the best thing about this, again, guys, is we'll get paid those affiliate commissions every time somebody comes over to our app and books that travel activity without us even charging them for this itinerary, which they can save if I click onto where it says My Itineraries. There it is, which they can access anytime. I'll refresh the page. As we can see, it's still there. The user interface and experience for this app is absolutely incredible. And the convenience of being able to not only generate but save a fully custom personalized itinerary based on your exact tastes, style and preferences not only massively increases the amount of bookings that you can get via your itinerary and hence the affiliate commissions that you can generate, but it also attracts repeat customers, people who will come back over to your app and utilize this way of planning their trips with these custom AI-powered itineraries rather than going over to Etsy and purchasing a custom itinerary template, doing all of that research themselves. Will get returning customers, which is perfect for the second monetization method to earn that monthly recurring subscription revenue. So to allow your app users to subscribe to your app for extra benefits, I'm going to show you how we can implement that by using another app that I just generated with Atoms AI, also an itinerary generator, but this time not limited to just Japan. If I click onto where it says start planning right here, this itinerary generator is for any major city in the world. And if I type in a prompt as simple as offer paid subscription options and then hit enter, to create a pricing page on your app with 3 subscription tiers, a free version where they can generate 1 itinerary per month, and that will be a basic itinerary, all the way up to the paid Globetrotter plan, generating you $20 per month in recurring revenue, where the user can generate an unlimited amount of itineraries, more detailed itineraries with local tips as well. And to make sure that you actually get paid that monthly recurring subscription revenue every time a user does subscribe, as you can see on point 2 over here, guys, you can see that Atoms AI integrates with Stripe, which is a payment gateway, allowing you to receive those payments seamlessly. So you want to make sure that you review each one of these items before clicking onto where it says approve, or you can also edit any one of them before doing so. It'll then ask me to enable payments with Stripe. I'll click onto where it says Stripe authorization right here. Click onto where it says connect next to Stripe, and you can very easily link your Stripe account if you already have one, or you can also register for Stripe, which is super easy to do so you can start receiving those monthly subscription payments every single time one of your app users upgrades from the free Explorer version of your app, for example, where they're able to generate 1 travel itinerary per month, to one of the paid versions such as the Globetrotter subscription tier, allowing them to generate an unlimited amount of more detailed itineraries. And even for those who choose not to upgrade to any one of the paid versions of your app, you're still able to provide the free users with a highly personalized travel itinerary, recommending the exact type of travel activities that they are likely to be interested in. Every time a booking is made via your link, that's when you'll earn those affiliate marketing commissions, allowing you to cash in on this highly trending recent topic for custom travel planners in 2 different ways. Anything sort of related to planning with personalization is really taking off right now, guys. It's not just travel planners, as we can see. Custom fitness plan has seen a huge surge in demand right here. If I go back over to Atoms AI, you can see that I've also been able to generate a custom fitness plan generator. If I click onto where it says generate your plan right here, I can very easily enter in a few simple details, answer these questions to generate my very own custom fitness plan, which you can of course monetize with both a subscription model as well, or affiliate links via different fitness equipment or supplements that you can include within your fitness plan via the Amazon affiliate program, for example. It is now easier than ever to create a high quality online 1-person business with Atoms AI that you can monetize monetize in several different ways. Now, many of you may have already heard of Meta GPT. With over 58,000 stars on GitHub, well, Atoms is actually built by the founders of Meta GPT. They are the rebranded version of Meta GPT X. It's an incredible platform with a lot of brain power behind it, guys. Until very recently, even if you had an amazing idea for an online business for which you can see clear pain points, for which you can see there is a lot of demand for, and for which you know can generate a high amount in revenue, simply wasn't good enough. You see, to develop an app just like this, which essentially operates as a high-functioning online business, which is revenue-ready, generating revenue in two different ways, simply wouldn't be possible without both high startup costs and hiring a large team. That all changes with Atoms AI, where you can literally turn a good idea into a product that sells, or in this example, an app or an online business that can generate real revenue. Strongly recommend getting started with Atoms AI to put those ideas into practice. Link in the video description. And if you got value from this video, please make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with anyone who you think may get value from it. And I'll see you guys very shortly in the next online money making video. Take care.